Here's a really quick way to make some unique looking Glade Guard for the upcoming Wood Elf release for Warhammer The Old World.
Glade Guard are a mandatory core unit for the Wood Elf Grand Army list, so you'll need at least 5 of them for a legal army until we see whatever the Arcane Journal comes up with. You'll need 2 kits, a traditional Wood Elf Glade Guard box, and the Lumineth Realm-lords Sentinel Watchers kit.
Now, why would you kitbash a Glade Guard kit using the original box, you might ask?
Well, the kit is dual purpose, building both Deepwood Scouts and Glade Guard. And at a glance, can you tell the difference between the two? Yeah, neither could I. So I'm building all the units in my box as Deepwood Scouts, then using the spare heads on the Lumineth models to make Glade Guard. I was a real sucker and picked up an old box of Wood Elf Glade Guard on eBay for a huge markup. I imagine they'll be out in a month or 2 in a huge box of archers for a fairer price. You really don't need to do a ton of work here. Build the Lumineth Archer as per the box instructions, but stop when you get to adding the bow. Take a head from the Glade Guard set, position it to face the direction of the shooting bow, then continue to build the model, but when you get to placing the quiver, put it on the back of the model for a more traditional archer look, and it just makes the model look much more dynamic too. I put together a unit of 10 of them, a quick paint job later, and here's how they're looking.
It really doesn't take that long to do, and I think they look quite regal and a bit more like actual Guard, which is quite nice.
I've played a few games of them, and even Rob, the Honest Wargamer, really liked them in a tournament I played at his venue.
Grant also had a fantastic Wood Elf Realm army. I really like the inclusion of some Age of Sigmar models in there as well to update the range.
Give this a go when the Wood Elves release later in the year. Thank you very much for watching. You can find some more videos here and subscribe to the channel too. Thank you very much.